Y'all, I'm an InShOt video editor, and I'm editing a video right now. This is how you add music from Epidemic Sound. You push this button, and then I import my music. And I'm going to use that music, and there it is. Now I'm going to set the volume to the music. And I'm going to pull the volume down to about 11. I usually like to keep the volume on 11. Well, 11. Volume's on 11. I am in InShOt editor. Now I'm going to put the volume on this. Put this. Okay, now I'm going to put the volume on the film. This is one film. This is one file. And I'm going to turn that volume up to 100. Okay, this is what it sounds like now, from the beginning. With the music. Okay, let me stop it. Okay, I'm gonna cut it here. Okay, so to cut it, you push this one. And it's going to make a cut. Right there, it just cut. And I'm going to slip it up forward. So I want to cut it out until we get to here, to this sign. And then it's going to go like this. Okay. Now look at it. Now watch as it goes closer. That's where we cut. There's the cut. And that's InShOt Video Editor. And that's what I'm doing. I'm editing. It takes hours.